The company consists of two large teams. We have the developers team and we have the testers team. The developers team consists of people that more or less have the same background, the same experiences and the same expertise. But for the testers team, we have people that come from a wide range of backgrounds. So there are people that have zero experience with programming and others that have, but all of them can help us with what we do here. A typical workday life in QiTASC can be different for everybody because QiTASC offers a flexible work schedule. For us developers, we have a daily sync-up meeting in the morning around 9 o'clock, and everyone presents what his daily tasks were in the previous day and what his daily task will be for the coming day. And that way, Mikael, who is our CEO and the responsible person for the developers, can understand and know what we are all doing, and we can sync better. And also during this process, you can ask your questions if you're stuck somewhere or if you have a problem. Then the other guys can help you or suggest some solutions. Other than that, when we finish that, we start working on our tasks. And if you feel tired, if you feel your energy depleting, then we have a fully equipped kitchen with free fruits and vegetables and sweets and beverages. And also we have a football table to spend a little bit of our free time and just rest from working all day. And actually there is a really good work-life balance because we are only required to work the normal working hours, 8 hours a day, and then it's rarely required of us to do overtime or have tasks that exceed the 8 hour span. So it's really nice.